Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can play Bgmi without downloading it on our device. So I will be giving you out two different methods to do it, and I hope one of it works for you and you will be able to play it without downloading it. So the first method is go to your browser and search for BlueStacks X Cloud. So basically it is a cloud gaming website where every game is stored on a cloud and you just use your device and access it using your device, and in the cloud you will be able to play different games. So just open up this cloud of BlueStacks and after that search for BGMI there, and this is how it will lead you to. So when you just scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see all the steps related to it, how you can get it. So the first step is download and install the BlueStacks application on your PC, because this is how you get to access all the games and also BGMI, and then sign in using your Google details into the BlueStacks application and then search for the BGMI game or the any game that you want to play and just click on it, install it, and don't worry, it won't be downloading. Actually it would just allowing you access to the cloud server. After that, fifth step can be skipped if you have already followed the second step, and just click on the BGMI icon on your home screen and you will be able to play it. And that's how easy it is. Now let's go with our second method. Before we move on with our second method, let me show you how cool this BlueStacks cloud is. So let me scroll down a little bit, and here are the steps. You just have to follow these steps and you can play almost any game out there on this cloud, and that too on a low end PC and without the requirement of graphic cards, high end requirements in a PC. So all you have to do is just go to the website and click on play on cloud instead of making any downloads. So you just have to go to their catalog, and this catalog contains almost all the games. Just select the game of your choice and click on play on cloud, and that's how easy it is to play almost any game out there and in really high quality. Now let's see how our second method works, and for that just open up a new tab and search for now.gg BGMI. So just open it up. It might not open up on my device because I'm in a restricted country, and in my country PUBG Mobile is banned, so I won't be able to play it. But for you it will be shown as play on browser, and you can just simply click on play in browser and you will be able to play it on browser. Let me show you how it actually looks like. Roblox is not blocked in my country, so let's see how we can do it using Roblox. So just search for now.gg Roblox and let me open up. And this is how it will look like when you try to open up PUBG in your device. And since it is banned in my country, that's why it is showing that way. So all you have to do is just click on play in browser and it will open up. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.